Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone on over to your LG TV to display mirror. And it's actually very simple. So just open up your iPhone right now and then swipe on down from the top and then go over to the internet option and make sure you have the Wi-Fi option turned on and then connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your LG TV. And then go on over to these little boxes and your LG TV should appear on here. So it's very simple on here. And then a passcode will open up. You just need to type in this passcode that's on the screen. So 5439. It's going to be different for you. Go to OK. And then you should be able to display mirror your iPhone on over to your TV now. So very simple to do. Now on your LG TV, just make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi. If you're not, go ahead and do that. And then you should be able to connect with your phone. Very easy. So on your home screen of your LG TV, and just go to settings or press the settings button and then go up to Wi-Fi right here and select it, and it should bring you on over to this page. And make sure you connect to the network, and then you should be good to go, and you'll find it on your iPhone to go ahead and connect your display. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.